simplifying equations. What this means is that maybe as you're doing some algebra, what you have to consider is simplifying. It shows up every now and then. So I'm not sure. Is that how you spell simplifying? Anyway, check my spelling on that. Anyway, here we go. For instance, do you notice this first math problem here? Do you notice on the left side that you have two x's? It's x plus x. Well, this is the idea of what simplifying means, is that if you can simplify, you kind of should. You should do that first. It'll reduce the number of steps that you have to do. And pretty much it can clear up your math problem pretty simple, pretty easily. For instance, x plus x, that's going to leave me two x's. Now it's still equal to 10. Did I change anything? No, not really. All I did was simplify it. For instance, if you're looking at a fraction, if you're looking at a fraction like 4 of 8, if you change that to 1 of 2, did you really change anything? No, not at all. The quantity is still the same. This is half. This is half. This is 50%. This is 50%. They are equal. You didn't change one thing about the math problem. So for instance, if I'm going from this to this, it's still telling me they have two x's. All I did is put them together. So 2 times x equals 10. The opposite of multiplying by 2 is to divide the other side by 2. So x equals 10 divided by 2. That means that answer must be 5. See how that went? Let's try another one. Look at that guy. Now, simplifying, you're practicing it now. Will it always show up in math? No. You just have to be aware of it. And if you can catch it in the beginning, it'll make it like I said, it'll make it easier. It's not always there, though. So look at this one. It says 5x take an x. If I have 5 x's and I take an x back, isn't that 4 x's? Yeah. So I really have 4 x's equaling 6. So the opposite of multiplying by 4 is to divide the other side by 4. So now I have 6 divided by 4. And I think that's going to be 1.2. 1.2. I know there's 2 remaining. Anyway, that's what we're looking at. So as you continue to do, you'll notice that things get a little more complicated. Let's try another one. Look at this guy down here. Look at the left side. It says 4x take an x. Look at the right side. 20 plus 4 minus 2. So the idea is this. Not only can I simplify the right side, I can also simplify the left side at the same time. But something's going to happen special. Let's see. If you have 4x and you take 4x, that's going to leave me 0. And 20 plus 4 is 24. Take 2 is 22. Look at what you're left with. 0 equals 22. No, that's not true. So this is a no solution. There's no solution to this answer. This one cannot be solved. Let's try another. Do you notice that you have numbers on the left side? Those can be combined. You notice you have p's on the right side. Those can be combined. Let's go ahead and put these together. 100 take 6 is going to leave 94. Add back 3 is a 97. Equals, now be careful. So 2p plus 4p, that's going to leave me 6p. So now I can go ahead and do my algebra. The opposite of multiplying p by 6 is divide the other side by 6. So 97 divided by 6. Uh-oh, we're going to need the calculator for that one. Let me go ahead and pull it up real fast. I'm going to go ahead and leave it up to so we can check ourselves. Okay. So 97, or I'm sorry, 96, right? Yeah, 97. So 97 divided by 6 is going to leave me 16.16 repeating. So 16.16 repeating is equal to p.